And today I am going to share with you two kind of salad dressings which are really so good, and so confidently I can suggest you to use these ingredients or use these dressings for your next salad recipe. So hello everyone, it's me Leonard welcoming you on my new video. I hope everything is going good around of you. And here is the arugula we are going to prepare for today's salad. Baby spinach cancel for today. Only the arugula salad with some of fresh fruits and the good dressings that I am going to share with you right now. So stay with me. Also, do not try to skip any clip from here. Try to watch the full video. And here is the ingredients. This is the first one. Also the first experience with me. This relish. It's kind of chutney, pickle, and which are used here. This is sweet relish, 1 teaspoon sweet relish and 2 teaspoon
balsamic vinegar,
mayonnaise. That with the yogurt, 2 teaspoon yogurt, 2 tablespoon of white vinegar, some salt,
pepper,
quarter teaspoon black pepper,
garlic powder,
You know what, garlic is always good for our health, so using little garlic powder, quarter teaspoon garlic powder, and here dry basil, pinch of dry basil for extra flavor, and the olive oil, 2 tablespoon olive oil, and
okay. This one, it's better if shake like that.
also this one you will use.
I will put just to add more. Only the in salad, only the dressing is important. You can put any leaves.
As you see, our dressing is complete there, and we are now preparing the vegetables and fruits. As I mentioned you before, that with the arugula I will going to use with fresh fruits. As you see here, this is we will use, and this is the salad we are preparing only for one person. So you will see the vegetable is not too much, and the dressing also is good enough for one person. So let's prepare the vegetables. Cherry tomato, and one more time I want to remembering you the ingredients for the dressing I use. This is why you do like this?
So that it will not become black.
Normally apple coming black when you
Apple will become black.
okay. So if you touch the lemon,
That lemon like this, it prevents for darkening the apple. See now? Now, this. Okay.
So let's check for one more time our dressings ingredients which were used here.
Why?
Relish, sweet relish 1 teaspoon, mayonnaise 2 teaspoon, yogurt 2 teaspoon, white vinegar 2 tablespoon, salt for the taste, black pepper, garlic powder, dry basil, and the olive oil 2 tablespoon. Then give them good shake for mix nicely.
This one.
That's all.
Dragon.
Dragon fruit.
This is dragon fruit.
This is melon.
Melon.
This is strawberry.
Strawberry. Cherry tomato. Apple.
Blackberry.
Blackberry.
And the
Arugula.
Okay. Now I will put this one. This is the nuts, cashew nuts. What it is?
So this is the way we are preparing relish dressings. It's complete here. Now let's get into the other dressings, and just before we jump there, I want to give you a huge thanks that still you are watching my video. Also, I want to beg you for your support to subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. And I am always looking for your like, comment and share, which really makes me so happy. So this is the other dressings with nearly same way that we prepare the first one. Here, only the difference is we just skip the dry basil, and we added here fresh dill leaves with sweet paprika.
Instead of lemon or
Instead of white wine,
okay.
vinegar or lemon. Try to divide both.
So our mixed vegetable salad is ready here, and yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you will stay with me. Thanks once again, and take care, have fun until we will talk. Bye bye.